Okay, so this is our demonstration of functionality for option 2, the H-bridge we constructed for our final project. This is the H-bridge circuit and LED setup that I mostly contributed to. Right now it is in free run stop where neither button is pressed, and so the red LED is shown and the motor isn't spinning. If we press the first button, which is our forward motion, the green LED shows up and the motor starts to spin in counterclockwise direction. If we press the other button, the blue LED shows up, which is our clockwise direction, I think. Yeah, and it is in reverse mode. And then, as you can see, when the buttons are released, the red LED shows up. And then for the coding, which is what Xavier mostly did.
So for our code, we have 3 primary variables that are attached to analogs 1, 3, and 5 on the Arduino. They're each reading either the voltage supplied to the buttons or the voltage across each individual button. So for our code, we started with some if statements in MATLAB that basically the first instance that we have here says that if the variable that we named red LED, its analog input is attached to A5 and is reading the voltage supplied to the buttons. So it should always be reading high. That while that is read high and that the green LED and blue LED are reading low, as in they're not reading 5, that the red light would be set to high, and that the other digital inputs would be set to low, so they'll be off. The moment that we press either one of the buttons, that first statement immediately becomes false because now those voltages are reading high for A1 and A3. Therefore, it'll go to the rest of the code. In the instance of for the green LED being lit up, when it is read as high and the blue LED is read as low, then the green LED will be lit up and the other 2 digital inputs will be turned off, and vice versa for the blue LED. And in the instance that both are pressed, which we have an else statement for that, then all will be turned off.